That old Sunday morning church bell down the street takes me back in time where we feel at home. Muddy water creek and Dad calling for supper, skipping rock and cane fishing poles. Reminds me of the good old days of old. Way back home felt like home, and we were living and running. We had big dreams, it was something. We didn't know right from wrong and never felt no pain. Looking back now, never really noticed the rain. My mind won't ever leave that war. I can't begin to tell y'all where I've been. I ain't sure where my head's heading lately. It's like my cruise control's been set on this life of sin. I'm just out here trying to find my way back to sunshine, back before all this rain, back when we were living and running. We had big dreams, it was something I never had. Had big dreams, it was something. Didn't know right from wrong and never felt no pain. And looking back now, never really noticed the rain. Sounds like Creed. Fisher, baby. Show me the song. I know that years on down the road, well, I'll be wishing I would have listened just a little bit more. Know that where I'm at's just a stepping stone. Turns out I'm right where I belong, 'cause I'm living and running. I got big dreams and something. I finally know right from wrong and I don't feel no pain. Come to find out, everyone needs a little rain. Come to find out, everyone needs a little rain.